Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. And let me announce that on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection. And these apps are on Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app, Boost VPN, and make sure to pick the right app. And among the results, you scroll down until you find this app. This is the app Boost VPN. So you pick this one among the presented. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. And after installing this app, before using it, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure you follow them. Lastly, make sure to read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage and make sure to follow them. Then you open the app to set it up. So you tap on the open button and you give the app a few seconds for it to open. So if you have not yet subscribed on the channel, you are missing a lot. Take this time to like, share and subscribe on the channel for more useful content. When you reach in the app, you're required to update the app resources so that it can work as it secures your connection. So you tap on update option and it will start to check for the available updates. And after updating the app resources, you are required to pick a server. So from here you can either pick from any of the presented. You can pick either Singapore or Thailand servers, or you can pick Auto server. For today's guide, let's pick Thailand. So after picking a server just like that, you're required to pick a connection method. So you can tap here, then you can pick from any of the presented. So for today's guide we have chosen UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. So in case your country supports UDP, this option may work for you. So after that, you're required to add on time. As you can see the countdown. So in case the app runs out of time, it will stop working. So to avoid such issues, tap on this add time button and the app will add on the connection time. After that, you're required to initiate a fast and secure connection by tapping on the connect button. And after tapping on the connect button, you can see that the app is right now connected. And that's how we set up Boost VPN with all country UDP settings to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online.